Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Chic Leaf makes a gorgeous palm leaf plate. This is their 8-inch square, and I am really impressed. It is very durable, it's leak proof. I have put some water on the top of this to see, and it beads right up. I'm also really loving the fact that it can support a lot of weight, whereas other plates, paper plates, just totally crumple on you when you try to put a lot of weight. I love using these to eat while I am standing in the kitchen or on the couch eating. It's not going to buckle on me at all. I also love the fact that these are natural, they're safe, they're made without any chemicals, they're handcrafted out of areca palm leaves that have fallen. Really a great option for the environment, for the planet. They're sturdy and they're stackable. These would be perfect if you have a barbecue, an event, a gathering. They are just beautiful. I also really enjoy the texture and the variety of colors that you have on these because they are naturally occurring. Each plate is a little bit different and it just adds and elevates your event. So if you are looking for a plate that is going to catch the eye of your guest, don't hesitate. These are wonderful. They are absolutely lovely and I would highly recommend, but that's just my point of view.